In this time of age, we all have an addiction. Some have an addiction of alcohol, drugs, food, but there is one addiction we all have in common. Many probably don't want to admit on it. Many denied it, but we all have it. I don't really need to say what it is. You can just see and know what it is. Can you remember what you used to do in the morning before checking it? Before you had a smartphone, can you remember what you did when you were standing in line before you had a cell phone? Can you remember what you did before you went to bed, before you had a phone? Just sit and think about that for a moment. Nah, man. I'm going to kill my addiction and free my mind.